So good morning everyone. So next problem I am starting. So next problem is triangle ABC is a right angle at A. AD is a perpendicular to BC and AB is equals to 5 centimeters. BC is equals to 13 centimeters and AC is equals to 12 centimeters. So find the area of a triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. So we have to find the length of AD here. So first we will draw a triangle what they have given. So this is a perpendicular line, height value. So here they have given one perpendicular. So this will be one height and this will be second height. Okay. So what are the base values here? It is 13 centimeters. It is 12 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. A, B, C and this one is D. Okay. So now so what they have given ABC is a triangle. So given ABC is a triangle. Next, AD is a perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC value itself. So this AD is a perpendicular to BC. So this is a height and this is a base. And in this triangle one more height and base they have given. So this is a height and this will be a base. Okay. So what are the height values and base values? So this is height 1, this is base 1 and this is height 2 and this one is base 2. Okay. So for finding the area, first we want both base value and height value. So which base and height we can take? This height value included with this base value we can take for finding the area of a triangle. So first find the area of a triangle here and given values you write here. AB value they have given as 5 centimeters, that is height 1, and AC value given as 12 centimeters, that will become base 1. Okay, so by applying these two we are going to find the area of a triangle now. So what is area of a triangle formula? Area of a triangle is equals to half into base into height. So for finding this area we want base value as well as height value. So I am taking here base 1, height 1 for not confusion. So instead of taking the H2 and B2 we are taking H1 and B1. Okay, so here area of a triangle is equals to half. B1 is how much? B1 is 12 centimeters and height is how much? 5 centimeters. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So area of a triangle is how much? Area of a triangle is equals to 6 5s are 30 centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Okay, so what is area of a triangle? We got it as 30 centimeter square. So what we have to find? We have to find this height value now. So this height value we have to find. So this height value we have to find and base value they have given as 13 centimeters. So how to find this height value? So if you know the area value, already we know area of a triangle formula. So we want to find the height value. So which values you have to know? Base and area you have to know. So already we know the area and also B2 value also we know. So we can find the H2 value. So now second bit. So in that they have given, that is AD is equals to H2, that we have to find, and BC is equals to how much? That is 13 centimeters, that is base 2 value. And for finding this we will apply area of a triangle. By using this area of a triangle value we will find the height 2 value. Okay, so now area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. We have taken in the form of B2 and H2. So I am writing B2 and H2. So area of a triangle is how much? 30 centimeters square is equals to half is a constant value. B2 they have given as 13 centimeters and H2 we have to find. So I am writing as it is. Okay. Now in 2 table 13 will not go. So 30 centimeters is equals to 113 13 by 2 centimeters into H2. Okay, now first I am transposing this 2 to other side. So it is in the form of division, so it will be converted to multiplication. So that will be 13 centimeters into H2 is equals to 30 centimeters square into 2. Okay, so this division has converted into multiplication. So 13 centimeters into H2 is equals to 32 is 60 centimeters square. Now transpose is 13 to other side, so that will be converted into division. So H2 is equals to 60 centimeters square by 13 centimeters. So centimeter will get cancelled. In 13 table 60 will not go. So we can write in the form of mixed fraction, or you can write in the form of decimal points. So how you can write? Just divide this 60 with 13. Okay. So it will be 13 fours are 52. So it will be 8 here, it will be 0 and 0.0. So you got it as 80. So you can take 13 6 are 78. So it will be 2 again. 0.0. So 13 1s are 13, it will be 70. So what is the value? Height value will be 4.61 centimeters. So you got the height value as 4.61 centimeters. So if you want, you can convert in the form of mixed fraction, or you can convert in the form of decimal form. So you got the height value as 4.61 centimeters. So this is our third solution. So next is fourth one. So what is fourth one? Triangle PQR is isosceles with PQ is equals to PR is equals to 7.5 centimeters. A triangle they have given, that is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal. So which two sides are equal here? PQ is equals to PR. PQ and PR sides are equal to each other, and QR is equals to 9 centimeters. QR value they have given as 9 centimeters. So the height PS from P to QR is 6 centimeters. Find the area of a triangle PQR. So first we have to find the area of a triangle PQR. Then we have to find RT side. Okay, so we have to find RT also. So first draw a triangle. So this is a isosceles triangle, in that two sides will be equal. Okay, so which two sides are equal? We will see. This is a perpendicular line, and from here one more perpendicular line is there. This height is 6 centimeters and this is 7.5 centimeters. Yes, and this side is 9 centimeters. R Q T P. Okay, so this is a PQR, triangle PQR. In this is an isosceles triangle, and which two sides are equal? These two sides are equal, that is PR is equals to PQ. So here also it will be 7.5 centimeters. So by using this figure we have to find first area of a triangle. So how to find area of a triangle? That is multiply by applying the formula half into base into height. For finding the area of a triangle, you want both height value as well as base value. So which height and base you can take? So if you take this is a height 1, this is base 1, and this is height 2, and for this is a base 2. Okay, so we want both values of height and base. So where you are seeing both values of height and base, this is a height, this is a base. These two values we know. This is 6 centimeters and this is 9 centimeters. So by applying these two values, we are going to find area of a triangle. So here given PQR is a isosceles triangle isosceles triangle, and they have also given that PR is equals to PQ is equals to 7.5 centimeters and QR value they have given as 9 centimeters. Okay. Now and also they have given the height PS is how much? PS is 6 centimeters. Okay, now we are applying area of a triangle. So which two sides we are taking? This height and base we are taking, that is PS we are taking, that is 6 centimeters, that will be H2 value, H1 value, and what is the base for this PS? That is QR. So QR is equals to 9 centimeters, that one I am taking it as base 1. So by using these two I am finding area of a triangle now. So what is area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is equals to half into base into height. So area of triangle is equals to half into base 1 is 9 centimeters and height 1 is 6 centimeters. Okay, so you can cancel here. 9 ones are 9 threes are. So area of triangle is equals to 9 threes are is 27 centimeters square. So you got the area of a triangle as 27 centimeter square. So now we have to find height value. So which height? This height we have to find. H2 value we have to find. So by using which values? By taking the area of a triangle and height 2 value, base 2 value, we are going to find the height 2 value. So what is the base here? Base is PQ. PQ is equals to 7.5 centimeters and height is RT, that is H2 we have to find, and by using this area of a triangle we are finding now height 2 value. So area of a triangle is equals to half into base 2 into height 2. So area of a triangle is how much? 27 centimeters square is equals to half into base 2 value is this PQ is base 2. So what is that? 7.5 centimeters into height 2. So if you want to cancel this, you can't cancel. So 27 centimeters square is equals to 1 by 2 into 7.5 we can write in the form of 75 by 10, because after point we are having only one digit. So in denominator you will get it as 10 centimeters into H2. Now you multiply these two. So 27 centimeters square is equals to 1 into 75 will be 75. 2 into 20 will be 20. 2 into 10 will be 20 centimeters into H2. Okay. So now I am doing here. So transpose this 20 to other side. So it will be 27 centimeters square into 20 is equals to 75 centimeters into height 2. Now if you multiply these two, that will be 2 7s is 14, 2 2s are 4, 5. That will be 540 centimeters square is equals to 75 centimeters into height 2. Okay. So now I am transposing this 75 to other side. So it will be height 2 is equals to 540 centimeters square by 75 centimeters. Centimeter will get cancelled. So here if you divide these two, that is 540 divided by 75. So if you take this 75, how many times you can take? 5 times you try. 5 7s are 35, 36, 37. It will be 75 7s. 7 5s are 35, 49, 50, 51, 52. So you can take this as 75 7s are 525. Okay. So next is subtract this one. It will be 5, 1. So 15 you got. So 0.0. So 75 2s are. 75 2s are is 150. So you got the height 2 value as 7.5 centimeters. So this is our third solution. This is our third solution. So once again see this. They have given triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal and one side will be different. So in this triangle, two heights are there and two bases are there. So for finding area of a triangle, you want both base value as well as height value. Okay, so where you are seeing height and base, this base value we know and this height value we know, 6 centimeters and 9 centimeters. So by using these two, I am finding area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is how much? That is half into base into height. So 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 9 3s are 27 centimeter square. So you got area of a triangle as 27 centimeter square. Now we have to find this height too. So how to find this height 2? So for finding height 2 value, you want area as well as base 2 value. So base 2 value we know and area also we know, that is 27 centimeters square. So I am applying the formula. So area of a triangle is equals to half into base 2 into height 2. So base 2 is 7.5 centimeters and height 2 I don't know, so I wrote as it is. So 7.5 you can write in the form of 75 by 10. Now you multiply these two, 175 is 75, 2 tens are 10. Okay, so now we transpose this 20 to other side, so that will be how much? 27 centimeters square into 20 is equals to 75 centimeters into H2. So if you multiply these two, you will get as 540 centimeters square is equals to 75 centimeters into height 2. Okay, so now send this 75 to other side, that will be converted into division. Here centimeter will get cancelled. If you divide these two, 540 by 75, you will get it as 7.5 centimeters. So this is our height 2 value. Okay. So with this, our third solution is completed. So in next class, we will continue other problems. Thank you.